As of this video, you're going to need the latest beta version of Virtual Desktop. If you're watching this in the future, you can skip ahead. So to get the beta version, first go on the Discord and see the announcements for Virtual Desktop announcements, and download the streamer here. Next up, on your Quest, long press Virtual Desktop. That means hold the trigger for long and press on Settings. And under Release Channels, click on the beta and confirm. And then press Update. Your app will now update and wait for it to finish updating before launching. Plug in your USB-C link cable to the Quest. Make sure you secure it down with a Velcro strap or any accessory that secures the USB-C cable so it doesn't move around. And it loosens the tension so it doesn't tear off accidentally. So the cable I'm using is this one by AMVR. It also has a USB-C charging port. That means my Quest will charge while it's playing on the link cable. So there are a few brands I can recommend. This AMVR one is okay, I'm using it. There's also one by Inui, people use that a lot. And also another one by Syntec. And also another one by Kiwi. They're all recommended brands. It's up to you to test which one works for you. For me right now, I'm just using this one by AMVR because it has a charging port and I like to charge it while the Quest is running. So you just plug a USB-C in here and then my Quest will be charging while I'm playing. So plug in your USB-C to your headset, then go to Settings and go to Link on the side here. Scroll down and under USB connection, make sure USB connection for apps is enabled. So once you enable that, go back to Virtual Desktop, launch it. So first you're going to be launched into the wireless mode. So go to Settings and then press Allow Connect over USB. If you go to Computers, now you will see, once it refreshes, that the USB 3 cable is up here, 5120 Mbps. So you got to use a good USB 3 cable. So I'm going to disconnect my wireless mode for now. Refresh. So now you see that there's a USB cable here. So if you want to use USB, click on this one. And if you're going to use the regular wireless, click on this one. And if this doesn't work, quit Virtual Desktop, restart it and try again. Restart everything. So I'm going to use the USB version. Okay, and then now you can see I'm connected to the USB. So once again, if this isn't showing up or it says connection is not working, restart your headset, restart your PC, and then try again.